Today we're going to learn about conclusions. Conclusions are the last page of a book or your writing that tell you everything that you wrote about. It's a way to sum up everything that you just read or wrote. So in this story about electricity, the last page says, "Electricity powers computers and televisions. It helps you see after dark. It makes life easier and more fun. What would life be without electricity?" In this conclusion, they told me what they wrote about: electricity, computers, televisions, and then they asked a question to think about. What would life be without electricity? Let's look at another conclusion. This book was about baseball. The last page says, "These firsts made baseball better. Now men of all races play Major Baseball together. These are women sportcasters, but women haven't played on Major League Baseball teams since 1954. Baseball keeps changing to include more people. Who knows what the next first in baseball will be? Maybe you." This conclusion tells me what this book was about. It was about the firsts in baseball. It says, who knows when the next first will be in baseball? Let's look at one more conclusion. This book was about how we clean up a park. The conclusion says, "That's how we cleaned up the park. How would you do it?" They used the conclusion, "That's how we cleaned up park. How would you do it?" to tell you what you read about. You read about how you can clean up parks, and then they wanted you to think about how you do it. So remember, conclusions tell you what the whole story was about and sum up what you were writing. Now it's your turn. Good luck.